Everyone uses toothpaste, but you've never seen how it's actually made.
This machine mixes the toothpaste base until it becomes perfectly smooth and thick.
This is where that fresh, minty taste is added and the texture is fine-tuned.
Look how perfectly EV Erie tube comes out. Zero waste, zero mess.
They package thousands of toothpaste boxes every hour. This speed is unreal.
Something we use every morning goes through the HIS much precision and technology.
From raw ingredients to perfectly sealed tubes, this process is seriously next level.
So that's how toothpaste is made, from raw materials to the tube you use every morning.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, hit subscribe and add more insane processes coming next.